Hi, my name is Janvi, and you're watching Disney Channel. I don't know. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि it was long due that my YouTube channel came because मैं जब से छोटी थी तब से मैं यही कहना चाहती थी कि Hi, my name is Janvi, and you're watching Disney Channel. But I aim to pull out a 10-minute video out of 7 days a week where I try to shoot for 5 days a week and try to edit that in 2 days a week. That means we have 4 videos coming out every month, along with the full time thing that I've been doing, living a healthy lifestyle, running a company, trying to build new habits. I'll be trying to make it super real, try to keep it as fun as possible, as authentic as possible. Is currently quarter to 10 right now. I've had my dinner, watched Squid Games episode 1 of season 3, and yeah, I'm back to work again because the website needs to go live in a week. I have an operation also, and I'm planning a trip also post that. उसके पहले shoot भी होना है, so a lot of things need to happen. Plus, I need to train Didi to use a laptop. I'm starting. This is like the official 2 minutes of making it official. The official 2 minutes of making it official that we are relaunching Soko. And this time, पहले मैं ऐसे डर डर के करती थी. डर के तो मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया. But मैं डरी हुई थी, but this time I'm not afraid anymore. This time I'm ready to fail in public. But that being said, this is my attempt to teach you all by teaching myself that अगर किसी चीज़ को पूरी शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसको तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश में लग जाती है. Today's outfit is very important for what has happened today. This is a very cute skirt from Westside. It has a very nice quad inside, so no flashing. Today I was so sad the entire time. Like ऐसे बस मौत ही नहीं आ रही थी मुझे because my mood was all over the place. Only because I couldn't put a finger on what I'm feeling and why I was feeling, PMS week. Plus, I've had like a surgery last to last week. So I was on heavy dose of antibiotic. My body is taking its time to let it go, be in rest, yada yada. And I was trying to do everything in my power, like doing yoga, drinking my drink, staying calm, giving myself affirmations ki bro, it's easy, easy, easy. But bhai, like there are days when you don't feel all right, and then instances जहाँ पे absence में ही तुम्हें presence का एहसास होता है, and that's what is for Soko. So today, when I was out for dinner with my friends, and I was just not feeling it, absolutely just not feeling it, कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या चल रहा है ज़िंदगी में, I don't know. Like even when I was there, usually I'm like the bubbly, the chill person, the most colorful one, मस्ती कर रही होती हूँ मैं. आज मेरे पूरे मुंह पे मातम छाया हुआ था. Of course, of course, of course. I did not know, but I was just sad, just sad. And it's okay to be sad sometimes. Like, you don't have to fucking perform for everybody. But I am a people pleaser. I love performing for people. So, today when I was sad, like, सब लोगों को दिख रहा था कि जानवी sad है. And when I was coming back, usually, I wear Sokos every single day. And only in the absence you realize the importance of its presence. Because today I got my periods in the auto while I was back, and yes, I was happy कि मेरे periods आ गए, but I was also happy and felt deeply rooted in my purpose only and only because there's a product that I make that actually fucking solves a fucking problem, which is of fucking untimely arrival of untimely leaks such as pee period discharge sweat. My mom was giving me shit because she wants to give me shit on every little thing, but she gave me shit for not wearing Soko bhai. Happy that I got my periods. ऐसा लग रहा है ऐसा स्टीम का ना ऐसा इंजन उड़ गया है भाई, ऐसा खुल गया है कि oh my god, like all this pressure of not feeling it, your mood ruining everything, having this confused state. So yeah, I'm excited for the new cycle, for the new creativity, the new insights that I will get into my life. Okay, bye. Mwah. And देखो मेरे new nails. Also, my first day of my period, I have a coccyx fracture because of which I can't sit straight and I need to sit on a donut pillow. And that, along with my period, it's causing me a lot of trouble. But this is period is additionally awful because I've also had like a surgery for emergency removal of my kidney stone. My entire body is like wanting bathing. My favorite dessert, which is dahi and shakar, something healthy also and something sweet also, and something nice. It's nice and cold, very high protein, very good. आज भी मैंने इतना काम कर लिया भाई मैं इतनी थकी हुई हूँ woke up late also which I did not guilt myself for but उसके बाद से I think I've had like a slow morning. I make sure that I have slow morning luxury that I know of being self-employed slow mornings and I can never give up on that. आज मैंने बढ़िया फराह खान और दिलीप का एपिसोड देखा on YouTube with Ollie had nice अंडा करी and then been at it क्योंकि आज हमारे work crisis में the transportation I was using Gati उन लोगों से एक I booked two parcels one from Bangalore to Bhopal and the other was from Noida to Bangalore. The Noida one बैंगलोर से भोपाल पहुंच गया नोएडा वाला अहमदाबाद चला गया भाई अमेजिंग कस्टमर सर्विस चित्रा वाज माय कस्टमर एग्जीक्यूटिव हो जाती है गलतियां सबसे वन कांट बी मेरे को पहले बहुत एंग्शियस लगता था टेकिंग केयर ऑफ ऑप्स के पीछे पड़ना पड़ता है क्या लोगों के बट नहीं तुम ऐसे टाइम दे दो या दे कैन प्रॉमिस यू matlab I say I'm gullible what to say but we have to trust people like so I think they made us trust me that the thing would be resolved and within 2 hours it was so kudos to Gati on that. I hope I received my shipment and get back to people with work update. Oh my god, I'm so tired bhai. Yeah, that's about it. We'll work through the night and then probably sleep after some yoga if my body allows. If not, I'll just take the freaking rest because I'm also learning how to rest because I don't know how to rest. Hello from no bloat, fine abs line, and few days after my period, the energy is back, the creativity is flowing clearly. I am done with my yoga. I'm done with editing a few videos, uploading a few reels. Wannabe influencer but I have been trying to be more disciplined, more intentional about it. Done is better than perfect. Just producing quantity and figuring out the rest later. But the update for the week is the inventory is here. This is the new Soko. I've been like giving a sneak peek here and there with the new launches. And the good part is that before we've launched, we have our orders in. I have women who have messaged me that they want 6 Sokos for their trousseau. I have another one who's wanting her delivery in time. The inventory was not here, what to do, but the inventory from Gati was here a day before. So kudos to Gati on that. I am excited because again, one, my period is gone. Two, my surgery is on Tuesday. Before that, we need to do a shoot. The website almost prepared. So I'm actually looking forward to it next week because it'll be fun. I'm going to Assam. It is Shiv Puja at Ollie's place. And हमें तो बहाना चाहिए भगवान ने बुलाया is enough is enough to do a trip. So yeah, you'll see me next week in Assam. Yeah, that's about for this vlog and I'll see you all later. Bye.